This video demonstrates my experimental graphics tablet. It comprises the puck that generates a 50 kHz signal, and that's positioned at the moment over the 00 coordinate of the tablet, which comprises 4 wires arranged at right angles, and the signals picked up by these wires are sent to the analog to digital converters on an Arduino, analysed and converted to position. We can see this on the serial monitor. The left-hand column is the raw horizontal values that we're getting, and the second column is the vertical raw. The horizontal and vertical positions are shown in the remaining 2 columns. If you want to create your own calibration table, you'll see that like the X raw value over the 00 coordinates 21.5, so I've started the tables at 21.5. The expected table increases by 12.7 millimeters each step, because that's equivalent to half an inch, and the grids on the tablet are 1 inch apart, so I've just gone in between each one of them there while I've calibrated it. And the measured values, you write the corresponding measured values into the measured table. In total there are 21 points for a 10-inch grid. If you want more accuracy, just increase the number of samples. All you have to do is change the X points from 21 to whatever the number you've got, and just increase the number of samples that you record. The key thing is the expected table. If you were to change by, say, 5 millimeters with your cursor, then you would change that to 21.5 plus 5, so that would be 26.5 millimeters. Pretty straightforward. Key thing is, if you want to, you don't need to open the software once you've programmed it into the Arduino, but if you do, make certain that you turn off the serial monitor first before you try accessing processing, because both of them can't use the serial port at the same time. So I'm just going to switch it off, and we'll now go down to processing. Now, when processing is opened, you will see at the bottom console area a list of the available ports. Now, on my computer, the default port for this one is COM5. So what I've done is, in the software, I've put the port index equals 1, but if yours is a different number, just change that number for the program to work. To run the program, I just go up to the run button. This is the run button up here, and this one over here is the stop button. So if I click run, a screen will appear, and you'll see that the horizontal and vertical coordinates, which are around 00, appear in the top left. So if you see that, it's all good. And now we just start just moving the puck over the cursor, so the tablet. So if you just sort of do some moving around, it's a bit difficult to hold all this there while I'm doing it there, but you can sort of it's, whoops, you just draw shapes. You can place, if you were to draw on a piece of paper and just lay the paper over the tablet and then trace the outline, you'll get the whatever it is that you've drawn. Now when you've finished drawing, you go up to the stop button and click that, and in the output files of your folder you will see two files, and this one here is yeah, there we are, capture CSV. That's everything that you've drawn in spreadsheet format, and the output.nc file is a numerical control output. I might see if I can output open with Notepad++. Yes, and you'll see that the output is all the coordinates that it's taken, and you can send that to a CNC machine or plotter, and whatever you've drawn, the outline can be turned into something useful. Yeah, thank you for watching.